Hello everyone, welcome to part 3. In this part we are going to improve things a little bit and build upon what we learned from part 1 and part 2. This time we are going to use a table as a data source. So I'm going to move this chart a little further down. I'm going to copy this data here, paste right here, and then convert this to a table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up the ribbon, go to home, and we're going to select format as table. Here we're going to pick a color that we want to. Let's go with blue. Okay. Next, let's go to our VBA editor. I already added the button here. Let's go check out our code. I passed the code, of course. Just for reference, these are the first two subs we did in previous tutorials, and this time we are going to work on this one. Okay. So I call this create new chart using listobject. Listobject refers to a table in VBA. We have 4 variables this time around. I have CO as chart object, WB as workbook, and WS as worksheet, and RNG as the range. Again, we are setting our variables to active workbook, to active worksheet, active sheet actually, and then this one here, range, we are setting this to the list object with index of 1, and we are getting the range from that list object. Okay, so worksheet dot list object, passing in the index of the chart list object, and then getting the range. Okay, this one creates the chart, and along with that we are passing in some values. So the left top, which means from this corner left 100 pixels, from top 80 pixels, and then width and height of the chart. Okay, next we are activating the chart, and then we are grabbing the chart, setting some more properties. You'll see slightly different syntax here. So we are setting the properties of chart wizard, such as source. You'll see column equals. That's how you set the properties in this setting. Setting the gallery to Excel column, format, plot by, so on and so forth. These 3 of them probably go hand in hand, this first 3, but I think the most important one would be the range, the source, and then of course this type. The next ones are category labels, series labels, yada yada. I'm not really that interested in those right now. Whether it has legends or not, I guess 1 means yes, 0 means no. We can set the title here, and a couple extra things. Okay, category titles, so on and so forth. And then next line we are setting another property, rounded corners, whether it's true or false. The other charts we did, they didn't have corners, rounded corners, just rectangle. And then we are setting the chart color and plot area interior. These are all colors, interior, exterior, border color, all that stuff. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with that. You can play with these numbers and change the color yourself. And then this one here, whether it has a data table. this property, if it's true, it's going to add the data below the chart itself. Okay, we're closing the end with and closing the sub. Okay, I think it's understandable. If not, please drop in comments. I'll try to explain further more, I guess. All right, so I think, let's see if I set this to a macro. Yes, but let's select this again, hit OK, and let's go ahead and click the new button. Okay, there you have it. Beautiful. So we have our chart with rounded corners, and as this had a blue line around it. That's the line that says border color index. Okay, so we have the sales, our title, product as our, let's see the property here, category title. Okay, and then we have the data table, yes or no, this property here. Okay, chart has the data table, so we set it true, and we added the data as well to our chart. Okay, so that's it for now. Until the next tutorial, take it easy. Have a good one.